One thing health experts know about viruses is that they can travel 3 to 6 feet, which is why they warn anyone who's been within that range of a coronavirus patient needs to watch for symptoms. They ask if you cough or sneeze to cover your nose and mouth, something people immediately tend to do with their hands. But to avoid spreading germs, experts say you might be better off using your elbow. And for the best outcome, infectious disease doctor Jill Weatherhead from Baylor College of Medicine says the best way to cover a cough or sneeze is with a tissue.
Covering your nose, covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze, preferentially with a tissue or a napkin, something that can be disposed of, is very, very important. You don't want to cough or sneeze into your hands.